Okay, so this is the bonus sheet that I'm giving my class to practice over the weekend, and I'm going to make this video so if you have trouble, you can get some help. You don't have to wait. All right, let's just do the first one here, and I'm just going to slide this aside. You probably are going to need another piece of paper to write your work on, and remember that I gave you a couple formulas. One was percent over 100 equals is of, and then I gave you percent over 100 equals part whole. Both of these are the same formula, it's just a different way of thinking about it. So the part whole, if I had a test and the number of test questions, that's the whole. How many did I get right? That's the part. Whole, the cost of a meal, part. The tip that we leave for the meal. Whole, the miles of a race, the part. How much did I complete? Is of. This means 200% of 12.5 is blank. Okay, so that's how you kind of use those. And it's just plug and play, basically. So you just write the question and fill in the answer. So here's number 1. Okay, so I'm doing my 2 lines for my ratio. And I see it says 120%. Well, 120 is going to go on the top because that is my percent. 120 plus the percent. What about the 100? That's just plug and play. We just put that there. 100, because a percent is out of 100. Okay, and then of 70, of is down on the bottom, so that's where I'm going to put my of. And then the other number that I don't know is x. So that's an equal. It looks like an unequal, but it's an equal. All right. So now I've shown you how to look for relationships, but we've also used cross multiplying. And when we cross multiply, we look for the two numbers that are across from each other. These two numbers are across from each other. So we're going to multiply those two. And then whatever's left, we're going to divide. Okay? Lots of videos on how to do that. So if that doesn't make sense to you, just look up one of the videos. All right, so 120 times 70, and then I'm going to divide by 100. You can use a calculator. Some of you, just a second, I'm going to go grab a calculator. Okay, I got my calculator now. And we like to use the TI 30XS. That's what we use in school. That's what the calculator that they see on the MCA. It's about a $16 to $18 calculator, but it's very nice. Or the TI 34. Those are the two calculators that are really nice. So 120 times 70 equals, divided by 100, equals 84. X equals 84. Okay? So now, how does this worksheet work? Well, I'm going to look on the side for my answer. Oh, there it is. That's an M. Okay, so number 1 is an M. So to do this, find your answer in the column and notice the letter next to it. Look for the letter in the string of letters near the bottom of the page and cross it out each time it appears. When you finish, write the remaining letters in the box. Okay, so I'm going to cross out an M right there. And that one's done. Okay, so this one was 84. All right, let's go down to some of these harder ones. A special vitamin capsule provides 250% of the vitamin C needed. If 60 milligrams of a vitamin C are needed daily, how many milligrams of vitamin C are in the capsule? So a special vitamin capsule provides 250%. All right, so let's set up our ratio. Okay, so now we have our ratio. Let's start plugging it in. So for the problem, a special vitamin capsule provides 250% of the vitamin C needed daily. If 60 milligrams of vitamin C are needed daily, how many milligrams are in the vitamin C capsule? All right, so let's start plugging in our numbers. So we know it's the percent is 250 over 100, and I'm going to put 60 on the whole. I know it feels like it should be a part, but 250 is going to be bigger than that. So let's put x in the part. All right, 250 times x, 250 times 60 equals 15,000 divided by 100, 150. X equals 150. Okay, so I see 150 down there, and that's B, so let's cross off B. Do we have any more B's? Nope. All right, let's do another one. The number of calories in a hot fudge sundae is 300% the number in a dish of plain vanilla ice cream. If the ice cream is 150 calories, how many calories are in the sundae? Okay, so we want 100, 300, because there's our percent. And the regular sundae has 150, and this is x. X equals, so 300 times 150 divided by 100. What does x equal? So 300 times 150 equals, divided by 100 equals 450 calories. So that's how much is in that next. All right. Okay, so you do the rest. The answers are on the side, so you should be able to figure it out. There you go.